Good luck. Yeah, very slippery. It's very slippery here. Hang on. Are you okay?
Yeah, lovely.
So this is the better line, yeah.
The birds fly south as the light leaves your eyes. Hold on to your dream. Oh, I know you wanna scream. Since the day you're born, you're just a flower on your own, waiting for the sun to blossom, hoping to break through the storm. Summer breeze to conquer your own land. Lead on daisy, don't be shy. Nobody changes, they just lie. Take your own fate by the end. It's time to conquer your own land.
Come to this.
Right down, and it stops there.
But when you say right round, do you mean on the other side of the valley?
Oh, yeah, right by that
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, that's too far.
You used to walk up here and go up there.
It's just that it's a bit far to do all that detour for nothing, really.
I said, well, why they come this way? I don't know.
Yeah, it's a bit weird. This is the OS map, the Ordnance Survey map.
Yeah, that's what is this.
Yeah, this is the most up to date because it's online.
I have
so.
only had this from line. I only had this.
Alright, so they both should show the same. Is that the 1 to 50 or the 1 to 25 scale?
I'm not sure. That's the one that was on the...
Okay. Alright, we won't trouble you anymore.
Yeah,
I'm
okay,
sorry
that's
about that.
So, I'll do you a favour this time then.
Okay, thank you.
You go round there now,
Okay.
back up, and bear left, private property all the way around, but never mind.
Okay.
You'll be coming out where the gate is there.
Okay,
You'll
okay.
be gone round by then.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Do it again, do it again.
Right, one sec.
Yeah.
The bearing's the same for 2017 onwards, at least.
So is it, what have you got, the EXX 500, is
That's it, yeah, yeah. And it's a rear wheel.
The rear wheel bearing you're after then?
Yeah, there's two, yeah.
Oh, yeah, they're a 5 there.
Oh, lovely, okay.
Fire bearings.
Cool. Should we pay over the phone? Would you be able to leave them with the guy next door, do you think?
Yeah, I can do that, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh.
Did the hub go?
Yeah, this is exactly right. You haven't got enough bearings, you know. You haven't got enough bearings, there's two. There's two bearings.
Two bearings each side?
Yeah, two. That's why I said to your mate when you come down here, I knew it.
What are you saying, two of those?
Yeah, well it'll be, they run two there, they run two, and they run one on the other side.
So I need another one of these?
Yeah. See how much is, that one there, that, it's actually melted, look.
Yeah.
So
The Tetty, how did you like the Tetty?
The Tetty was brilliant yesterday, a little bit difficult. Not sure Wayne would be up to it, but you'd be alright, Russ.
Do you think we'll be alright?
Comfortable in my own skin. I like who I am. Good vibes keep on pumping. Turn it up, that's my jam. I feel good. How you feeling? I feel good. So good. It feels good now. Make sure they jam it in the hood loud. When you roll slow in the lane with a whip with no stains, get a taste with the fame like. Hanging with my big homie solo. Standing still ain't better than slow-mo. Favorite ain't fair, we live a blessed life. Talking all that trash on the best style. What they wanna say now? Hate if you wanna hate, but y'all can't kill my vibe. And I be feeling so good, just happy to be alive. I said, hate if you wanna hate, but y'all can't kill my vibe. And I be feeling so good, just happy to be alive.
Where can you go?
Not bad like that. No, yeah, that's okay. Yeah, it's the same. Knee deep. So this is day 3 of the Tetty, and I slept like a log. We slept in this pub, and they were very kind to let us have the bikes parked inside. The boys are getting ready. Good morning, boys. Ready for the final day of the Tetty?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. What's the plan for today?
Don't fall off.
Don't fall off. Good advice. Well, he's an old fox. Well, you don't like water today, do you?
I saw you standing there.
Whoa!
I'm not testing this one.